little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I appreciate you for stopping by and clicking on that thumbnail. On this channel, I like to bring you pretty much all things beauty, but primarily wig reviews. So if that's something you're interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you are in the loop when I upload a video. Alright, so happy Monday everybody, and since it is Monday, I'm going to be reviewing another human hair unit. This unit was kindly sent to me from BLY Hair, which is a vendor on Amazon. I'm going to be reviewing this short human hair unit with a bang. It is 8 inches with 130% density. So thank you so much to BLY for sponsoring this video. Before we get into the video, I also want to highlight the jewelry that I'm wearing, which is from my girl Deanna. These earrings and this lovely necklace set. So make sure you check out Monet Dior Couture, which I will have her information down in the description box as well. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and dive into the video.
Because you're scared and lonely, finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over. Yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Alright y'all, so let's get into my thoughts on this wig. Now, bobs are pretty much all year round, but they are more popular in the spring and summertime where you don't want all that hair hanging down your body. So bobs are perfect for that. And anyone that knows me and watches this channel knows that I love me a good bob. I also have a nice bob wig playlist that if you want to check out some other bobs, I will be sure to include that link down in the description box below as well. Alright, so for this unit now, again, if you watch my channel, you know I'm not real big or a huge fan of units with bangs, but this is so cute. Bangs are growing on me, y'all. I feel like I'm growing. They are really growing on me. I just recently reviewed another bang unit that was longer. Super cute. I really like that one too. And if you're interested in, longer hair, I'll be sure to include that video down below as well. So if you're someone that's new to wigs or prefer to wear synthetic wigs because they're a little easier, but you want to kind of tap into a human hair unit, this is a good one to do so in. This is super easy and beginner friendly and affordable. Like, win, win, win. I'm here to give y'all the goods. I'm here to give you the goods. So with this one, because it comes with a bang, there is no gluing down of any sorts. There's no parting space. It has this normal closure, circle closure here at the crown. Super easy. Like, all I did was wash. I always wash my human hair units, as I always say, wash and deep condition, and then I just blow dried it. And you don't have to blow dry, you could let it air dry. I just personally feel like you're going to get a little more body if you put that little blow dryer to it. Yeah, that's what that does for me. But again, this is super beginner friendly, so, and it's so cute, y'all. Like, I really love this. And let me know if y'all like it with this hair behind the ear action. I thought I'd just kind of, spruce it up a little bit. But, or do you like it all hanging down? Which do you prefer? Let me know down in the comments below. I swear, y'all, when I first put this on my head, my first reaction was like, oh my God, I look just like my mother. Because she used to rock her hair like this back in the day. Oh my God, if I find a picture, I am throwing it up with the quickness. Just a chocolate version, because my mama light skin. Chocolate version of my mama right now. Like, that tripped me out. I thought it was hilarious. So again, this hair is super easy. It's nice and soft, y'all. I'm not getting no shedding. Of course, no tangling. Like, wind, y'all. We got some winds going on. Now, I wouldn't normally choose an 8-inch wig, but I actually like this one. Like, this is perfect length. I would normally choose 10 or more, but this is so cute at 8 inches. Love this. This is perfect, y'all. Like, look at this bald egg. Yes. Now, the cap size, I feel like it's pretty average. It's not snug on my head, and I do have a small to medium sized head. So, you know, will it fit my bigger head friends? Probably. I mean, I don't think it's super tight, and I feel like there's probably still some room left in here. So, yeah, I think it might be big head friendly. I think it might be all head friendly. Alright, so let's talk about the price of this wig. Now, again, this unit can be found on Amazon for $44.99. Like, you can't beat that. Like, synthetic wigs cost that much. Hello? So to get human hair for a synthetic price? When? I hope y'all getting these wins. Now, because this is such an easy breezy throw on and go kind of wig, that's really all I got for y'all. I have nothing else. Like, it's that simple. I thank you all so much for tuning into this video. I always appreciate it. Thanks again to BLY Hair. I appreciate you guys for sending me this unit. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah, come a little bit closer.